rin ako sa mga nag-iihaw. Nag-iihaw kami ng arni o yung sheep. On that special day, brothers and sisters, cousins, parents, and grandparents, the whole kinfolk gathered to grill lamb and dine all together. Because the fast is sober, so they grill lamb as well as other meat-based recipes and Greek Easter treats like kokorechi. This consists of lamb or goat intestines, wraparound seasoned offal, including sweetbreads, hearts, lungs, and kidneys, and typically grilled, are definitely on the menu. In that way also, traditional Greek folk music can be heard everywhere throughout Greece, and people indulge in lots of food while drinking and dancing the day away. It is the perfect chance for family members to reunite